YouTube! Back to the old intro. Y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know what it is.
Yeah. New age shit. Yeah. Forever the name. New age shit. We gon' go from Boston.
But I'm back today, man. Today we're finna go, I don't know. I know I need gas, for sure, but I'm on the freeway right now, so I think I want to cut up low-key. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. So, that's what I might be doing. For purposes I don't want to say, I'm covering up my, not really covering up my speedometer. Y'all can still fucking see. I don't give a fuck. But, for the most part, y'all are not seeing that shit on the middle of my dashboard, so good luck seeing that. But for the other part, I'm cutting up today. I'm on the freeway right now, so we finna go get some fucking gas, which I don't even know where to fucking get some gas from. I don't know. I might go to Costco, but I'm gonna give y'all this little POV. I ain't give y'all a POV in a minute. It's been about 3 weeks since I uploaded, so I'm trying to pump out the rest of the videos. I just gotta edit them for real. So yeah, I'm gonna give y'all this little POV, but I'm also, I don't know if y'all can fucking see this shit, but my fucking windshield is dirty as shit, bro. It fucking rained last night as soon as I washed my car, bro. Washed my car and it fucking rains. Like, what the fuck type of shit is this, bro? But yeah, man. We cutting up. We in the Charger with it, bro. Bright and early. Let me give y'all a little pull though. Cause I wanna give y'all a pull, bro. Oh my God, bro. This fucking car sounds fucking lovely. I don't even know if y'all can fucking hear that shit, bro, but this bitch does sound lovely, bro. Fucking lovely, kid. This bitch sound amazing. But yeah, man. I've been low key. I've been enjoying life, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I've been chilling. I've been enjoying life. That's probably why I haven't been uploading, because I have not been really focused on YouTube. I've been recording, but I have not been fucking editing. Trust me, y'all. I've been recording like a motherfucker, just not editing shit, and I feel bad. I can't even say I feel bad, because I don't feel bad, low key, but like, I feel bad because I feel like I should be like uploading more. But for sure, I'm gonna start editing all these fucking videos that I got saved up, because it's only so much my fucking phone can hold of videos. Like, my phone and my camera are literally like full of fucking videos at this point, and I feel like they shouldn't. So your boy gonna get to the fucking editing. That's what I'm gonna do today after this fucking video. I'm gonna get my stupid ass to fucking editing. Y'all see it? Why did you stop? Y'all see it? Y'all see it? The niggas. Why did he stop, bro? Nobody in front of him to stop. The nigga just like, fuck it, I'm braking. And this is where I'm braking at. Like, you see niggas hawking you down, why the fuck would you brake? Do that make sense? I should have had on my helmet cam so y'all can see that shit, bro. I don't even know if y'all seen that. But bro, that ass is bulky, brake checked me. And if I wasn't an experienced driver, I would have crashed. I'm gonna go to Costco though today. I don't know. I low-key I've been wanting to go to Chevron just for like the little Tetron shit or whatever the fuck that should be cleaning and shit. But I don't feel like going. That's nah. I wouldn't say I don't feel like going. It's the same price. Like, for some reason, Costco and Chevron got the same fucking price for me out here in fucking Vegas. Don't know fucking why, but you know, I'm gonna let it slide. I'm gonna let it slide. But I don't know. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna fucking run out this fucking gas meter quick as fuck. So you already know I'm gonna have to fill up again. So I'm gonna go to Chevron then. That's a nice ass fucking Type R though, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This shit low key clean. I mean, even though he riding on a fishbowl, but his shit clean though. His shit clean. Don't get me wrong, y'all. I like other cars. I do like other cars. I love my Charger, but I like other cars. Like, don't get me wrong. One thing I don't like the look of Mustangs though. I respect Mustangs, but I don't like the look out of them. Ooh, what the fuck is that? I don't know. That should look low-key clean though. I don't know. Vegas lately. I've been seeing some nice ass cars. That Benz is low-key nice though. Goddamn, Speedy. Fuck. Slow your stupid ass down. This not even a lane, nigga. I don't even know why niggas are behind me. High key. I don't know why niggas is behind me. But yeah, man, we got the Costco with it. Gonna cop me some gas. Some gassy gas. And I'm not talking about that weed, boy. I'm talking about that gas, nigga. And I swear to God, if this line is too fucking big, I'm not going. I will dead ass turn around if the line is too big. Hey, this low-key a nice fucking parking lot to do some fucking donuts in, but it's busy as hell in this motherfucker. Alright, y'all, so we are back on the road with it, boy. We back on the road. I'm on a full tank of fucking gas. I'm only getting fucking 203. Cause I do drive like a fucking maniac. You got a problem with it, fight me. Don't give a fuck. But yeah, man, we back on the road. Oh, I wish this fucking light was green so I can give y'all like a full flesh pull in this fucking in this shit, bro. That's a clean ass scat. I ain't gonna lie to you, boy. It's just cause your snorkels. That's the only reason why I like your shit. Only reason why I like your shit. I want his rims though. His rims is full black. As soon as I get on this freeway, I'm gonna give y'all a clean ass pull. What the fuck are you doing? That nigga trying to scale the wall without scaling the wall. He on some shit, boy. Literally, what is he doing? You thought we was going. You thought. Back on the road. We got a Charger right in front of us, but it's an SXT. Shout out to my V6 niggas. Come on, you got a Charger. You gotta take control, boy. You gotta take control, nigga. I ain't gonna let them bully you like that, though. I'm not gonna let them bully you, my nigga. We bully their niggas on the road, nigga. We them niggas out here. I'm literally just driving, bro. I'm not even fucking. I know I got a brake right here, though. I don't even know if y'all can hear these downshifts, boy. These downshifts sound so fucking perfect, too. And that's how you downshift, my nigga. Look, this is probably where I'm going to cut the video off, because yes, it is. But this is where I'm gonna end the video, y'all. It's your boy GG Kevo, and I'm fucking out of here. I'll see you on the next fucking video, cause you already know. School police be on some shit. They'll pull you over for going 2 miles over the fucking speed limit. So, yep, this is about where I fucking end the video. So I'm out of here. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace out.